defeating snow, ice, and no parking. The Toyota Lexus dealership in Manhattan added a hydronic snow and ice melting SIM system to its rooftop so it could store vehicles on site without worrying about winter weather. With the showroom on the 4th floor of its building on Manhattan's west side, known as Hell's Kitchen, the dealership decided to use the 40,000 square foot 8th floor roof as a convenient and practical way to keep inventory ready to show and sell. Steve Little of Warm Floors said that he designed the snow and ice melt system to not only take into account the ambient temperature ranges, but also the wind coming off the Hudson River, and the PEX tubing gave him the results he was looking for. Nearly 7 miles of 3/4-inch oxygen barrier PEX-A tubing from MrPEX Systems was used. 500-foot-long loops of tubing were laid into 72 circuits that were embedded in concrete. 7 1.5-inch stainless steel manifolds distribute the heated water glycol mixture throughout the system. The entire installation was done by E. Travis Mechanical Company. Founder and owner E.Z. Travis said that living and working in the city, he's gotten used to seeing a lot of really odd and interesting things that you don't see anywhere else, like putting an SIM system on the roof of a commercial building. He doesn't recall ever seeing a project like that, saying that it's uncommon, but that it makes a lot of sense. The E. Travis crew of 4 installed 37,000 feet of PEX in an area of nearly 50,000 square feet. According to Lance McNevin, Director of Engineering for the Plastic Pipe Institute's Building and Construction Division, PEX tubing is ideal for these types of systems. It is both flexible and strong, and has the pressure and temperature capabilities for delivering high amounts of thermal energy to meet demanding winter requirements. The alternative would have been using heavy, noisy snow removal equipment on the roof. But there still wouldn't be a place to dump all the snow. McNevin also felt that putting a hydronic snow and ice melting system on the roof of a commercial building to allow cars to park there is a true marriage of need coming together with a solution, and will probably save the dealership a lot of money over the years, while making it safer and easier to show and deliver cars during the winter.